Hi guys, welcome to AA Kitchen. Today we're gonna be cooking Mongo Guisado with pork. So let's put oil. Then let's fry the pork bits. Oil's not hot yet, but I think it's okay. Black pepper. And a little bit of salt. We don't really need to season it well since we're gonna season it later. Stir. Let the pork brown a bit. Then let's add the chopped onion and garlic. Saute until they're aromatic. Just keep stirring. And now let's add the chopped tomato. It's just one medium tomato. Continue stirring. More pepper if you want. Now let's add the Monggo. Some people boil the Monggo separately, but I think this one's better. Let's add water. It's better because we're tenderizing the pork and at the same time we're cooking the Monggo. And the Mongo absorbs the flavor of the pork. So it's kind of a win-win situation. Add the stock. You can add bouillon or other forms of stock like liquid stock. Doesn't really matter. So add more water. Now let's take off the stock. It's in a pouch, and it's not salted actually. So let's put fish sauce. You can also put salt if you want. Now let's mash the mungo, but we don't really need to overdo it. Lower the heat. It's cooked at this moment, so we'll add veggies. You can add malunggay or dahon ng sili, but I don't have them, so I'm using a alternative vegetable. And of course the mungo bits. And it's done. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoy my video. Until next time.